What did you learn from losing $4,000 trading Forex? And how did you build up your 5 figures trading capital? Hi and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel where we learn and test your trading strategies. First of all, I would like to thank you for your overwhelming engagement when we posted the MACD and Bollinger Band live trading experiences. We will continue making more videos where we practice live trading, from analyzing the market, placing orders and monitoring the screen together while waiting for some profit. Some of our beloved subscribers suggested that I conduct a Q&A session sometime soon. Let us know in the comment section if you have any questions about the different trading strategies we tested earlier on this channel, or any questions about trading full-time. Before I become a full-time trader, I have made plenty of mistakes. In today's video, I will share with you some of the lessons I learned from losing $4,000, which was the amount of money I got from selling my car back in 2015. At the end of the video, I will tell you how I managed to build the 5 figures account that I am using to trade today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want me to share more of these personal stories that had an impact on my life as a trader. Back in 2015, I was working for an IT supply company as a marketing executive. I was a fresh graduate and needed to get a job as soon as possible. I worked for a few months where I met my colleague who was making some side money from trading. He helped me create a demo account and taught me how to place trades, and I was trading $500,000 demo balance as it was the minimum deposit for demo accounts back then. After 3 months I realized that my earnings were good. At that time my strategy was pretty simple. I go long when I see 3 consecutive bullish candles and short when I spot 3 bearish ones. Many traders get lucky when they start trading, and I wasn't an exception. I close the order as soon as they start making profit. The high free margin of the account allows me to resist any reversal that might happen. I decided then to sell my car and invested $4,000 in Forex, which I lost in 2 months' time. The only things left from that experience are the lessons I will be sharing today. I will be sharing later in this video how I managed to build up the 5 digits account that I am trading today. Feel free to subscribe to this channel as I will be sharing some lifetime lessons that I learned while trading Forex full-time. Don't let commissions to eat your balance. It takes time to become a good trader, and practice makes it perfect. Experience is definitely needed to earn a consistent income from trading. The choice of the type of your account is important to study before entering the market. Some brokers require traders to pay a certain commission as soon as they place their trade. The commission is at a flat rate in most of the cases. If you have just started trading, then you may not have an important amount to invest, but as you progress, commissions will eat most of your profit, especially if you are a scalper. For swing traders who aim for 15 pips and above, commission accounts will allow a certain flexibility and ease to calculate the potential profit. Get rid of emotions. Another amateur common challenge is to trade emotionally. It's better to avoid trading when you feel stressful or tired. Entering the market requires an in-depth analysis and a high attention to details. On the other hand, stocks, for instance, are just represented by numbers on your trading platform, so don't buy a stock just because you like the company or their product. Trading involves the sentiment generated by the public, and a single opinion doesn't count that much. If you feel a bit stressed about a trade and you have some concerns about losing an important part of your fund, the reason is usually due to 2 factors: over-leveraged position or uncertain setup. Learn how to analyze the market. Beginners are always advised to analyze the basics of technical analysis strategies, in all time frames and market conditions. It is good to start from having a foundation in fundamentals. The price reacts to technical key levels, but the main price driver is the market conditions and public sentiment. Start comparing the past major news such as the release of the unemployment rate, central bank reports and political factors, then try to look at the price reaction on the chart. By experience, I believe that the market analysis, which is based on fundamentals, is extremely accurate. You might have a look at the latest experiences we have made on this channel where we placed 2 trades based on fundamentals and technical analysis. All the steps were highlighted in the video, which makes it a valuable experience to learn from. Keep practicing. You can use the demo account to learn. It's virtual and doesn't cost anything. In my opinion, the best way to trade a strategy is to backtest it using any of the platforms that give you access to historical data. You can test it 100 times or more. Feel free to check out the strategy testing videos we make on this channel for an idea about the process. Next, you can trade the strategy on a demo account which is offered by your favorite broker to make sure that the account type is suitable. Practicing a strategy could take some time, and you can also share it with us in the comment section so we can make a video testing it. Manage the risk with 2 key rules. The former rule in trading states that you shouldn't risk over 3% of your total capital on one single trade. For instance, if you have a total capital of $100,000, buying a stock for $50, and creating a stop loss at $48 means that the stock gets sold automatically if it goes down to $48. Thus, you can purchase a total of 1,000 shares. The maximum value you might lose per share is $2. Let's say, if you decide to enter the market without a stop loss, you can simply buy 40 shares, as 40 times $50 is equal to $2,000. In fact, you may lose it all if you don't use a stop loss. We have made an interesting experience where we evaluated trading with, and without a stop loss, and the results were quite overwhelming. Don't forget to check out the video later. The second rule is to have an overall risk or loss total that you shouldn't exceed in any month. For example, if you lose 5% of your account in any month, you simply stop trading. Let's say you are trading $1,000 in Forex. You can set a rule that if you lose 6% of the account, you will immediately stop trading for the month. The 6% in our case is $60. Such a strategy will give you a chance to make 10 trades of $10 risk, or 20 if you are risking $5. What about you? Let us know in the comment section what are the biggest mistakes you have made as a trader and what did you learn from. So after losing my car as well as my trading account, I was extremely disappointed, but I still continue looking for another opportunity to achieve my financial freedom, so I decided to open another demo account and trade every single day while maintaining a record of all the trades. I spend 2 hours every Saturday trying to review my losers and learn from them. I also downloaded some free resources from the internet such as books and tutorials. Let me know if you want me to share the books that had a strong impact on my trading style. At the same time, I started an Amazon FBA business with my friend in order to generate some passive income. We were sourcing socks from China and selling them on Amazon UK. The business was making us some passive income, which was around $450 per month. Afterwards, we sold the business to a small fashion store as the account had some good ratings. The store paid us $14,000 plus the value of the inventory we had. I still believe that the price is low, but we had to sell it as we needed money back then. Few months later, I started a print-on-demand store online. It was making some good money at first despite the cost of advertisement, which was high as I wasn't very familiar with Google and Facebook ads. 6 months later, I managed to make $8,000 from this venture as well as my job as a marketing executive. Let's end our first part of the story here for now. Let's give this video a thumbs up to help this channel to grow, and let me know what questions you want me to answer in part 2. Happy trading!